Class 10th students, in previous video I explained about the first step of nutrition, which is ingestion. Now all of you are going to know about the second step of nutrition in human being, which is the digestion of food. In human being, food is digested in three regions of alimentary canal. These regions are the mouth, stomach and small intestine. When we take food in our mouth, salivary glands present in mouth release saliva. That saliva has an enzyme which is salivary amylase. This salivary amylase digest carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is digested or converted into glucose or maltose. These are the simplest form of carbohydrate. Then after, by the help of esophagus, food enter in stomach. In stomach, there are so many small glands at the inner wall of stomach. These are the gastric gland. These glands release gastric juice which is received by the stomach. Such juice has an enzyme, that is pepsin. Pepsin convert the protein in peptone and proteases. These peptone and proteases are the simpler form of protein. The digestion of protein in stomach takes place in acidic medium because gastric juice has HCl. There are two functions of HCl. HCl kills germs and that also make the medium for digestion of protein. It has also mucus. This mucus reduces the effects of acid. Now, third time, food is digested in small intestine when a part of undigested food enter in small intestine. A small intestine, a coiled tubular structure that receives juice from two digestive glands. These glands are the liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile juice. This bile juice alkaline in nature. So in small intestine, food is digested in basic medium. The bile juice involved in emulsifying fat, means fat, the large molecules of fats are converted into fine particles. And the pancreas release pancreatic juice which has three enzymes. These enzymes are pancreatic amylase, trypsin and lipase. So at first, pancreatic amylase convert the carbohydrate into its simplest form, glucose, and trypsin convert the simpler form of protein, which are the peptone and proteases, into amino acids. Amino acids the simplest form of protein. And third enzyme, which is lipase, present in pancreatic juice, act upon or digest the emulsified fat into fatty acid and glycerol. So this way, in a small intestine, all kind of food are digested in presence of different kinds of enzymes. Some of the other enzymes are the succus entericus, which are also involved in converting these three types of food: carbohydrate, protein and fat. So these are the three regions in alimentary canal involved in digestion of food. Thanks.